Hello and welcome. We're back and we're starting a new series / season of content here on the Catalyst channel. So what are you going to expect? What series have we got lined up? And just how awesome are they going to be? So this video is to introduce one of our first new series. Series I? Anyway. So, for a long time, we've been sort of talking about doing a game engine series, but never actually got around to doing it. This was mainly down to technical problems, believe it or not. We now actually can do it. So, the first in our game engine series is going to be looking at the Unreal Engine. Now, for this series, we're going to be focusing largely on Unreal 4, with a view to move into Unreal 5 once it leaves early access and becomes more developed. So some of the videos later on may change depending on how the circumstances adapt, but the principles and the kind of fundamentals should stay the same regardless. So what will you learn in this series? What will we be exploring? Well, in this series, we will be creating a scene or a space from scratch that will implement every main implementation or key point that you need to know for Unreal. This will be things like material generation, how to create high fidelity textures and applying them to 3D models. This will be interactions, so how to make it when you press a light switch, a light turns on or off. This will be animation, so character rigging, animation, that'll be something we look at further down the line. This will be reflections, materials, surface scattering, you name it, we're building it. We're going to be creating in this series a gallery space. This gallery space won't just be your typical gallery space. This gallery space will also introduce things such as virtual reality. We'll actually be able to go into this virtual space either in VR or not in VR. We will also further in the future look at adding in multiplayer elements, how to add in networking so you can have more than one user in the same space. We will be adding in interactions galore, opening doors, pressing buttons on a keypad to play sounds, etc, etc. So hopefully you'll be joining us on this journey as we finally crack into Unreal development with a perspective of being as user-friendly as possible. And again, like all our videos, it acts as a starting point for you to be able to go further with. We guide your hand and we expect you to go further. That is the Catalyst way. I'm also going to use this opportunity, this video, as an opportunity to announce the fact that we are doing live streams of the development of this space when we crack on with it. You can check out the schedule for those live events on our website, which is catalystchannel.co.uk, where there'll be a stream schedule. But if you don't want to watch the kind of more slow-paced live stream, me building things kind of interaction, you can always watch our kind of cut down sections here on YouTube where we'll be focused on each of those key points. So between each video you may notice that the scene changes, the space changes as we add or take away things. And again, if there's only a certain area you want to know, just watch that video and hopefully you'll understand how we got to that point, because we're going to be working through this project as if it is a real project. Remember, like, comment and subscribe. It adds a huge benefit to the channel. You don't really necessarily always understand how much of a benefit it is. We want to try and keep as much content on the channel as free as possible. Catalyst channel, sort of 2.0, is here. We want more interaction with you. We want your feedback and we want you to keep following us because you are what makes this channel great. That was so cheesy. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.